I, Rose the Cardinal, say I am the best bird in the world. I can make it shine lights. Can you make it shine lights? And I can fly. Can you fly? Fly home, birdie. I work alone. That was me said that. I work alone. Who the hell are you? I'm Rose the Cardinal, and you are? I'm Tweety. Tweety the Canary. Tweety's my name, but I don't know my age. I'm number one. I'm the best version of a bird you can get. Now when version 2 is here, a bitch. Ah! That's right, Blue Jay, the Blu-ray, is the best bird. Version 2, baby. Flappy here, version 3.0. Bitch, I'm the best bird. Nuh-uh. Me, flamethrower is.
Oh, look at all the flames. The flames of disaster.
Uh-oh. I think I am the best bird. Look at how pristine my head is. We don't even know your name. Oh, my name is... Wow, what a great name. Can you say it again? Okay, it's... You don't remember your name, do you? Nope, I don't know. Excuse me, I'm the best bird. No, I am. I'm pretty sure I'm the best bird. Me. Cause I thought I saw a putty task. Well, they can only sell one way. Who can make the best nest? We'll just sell this in a death battle. Get in your stations, birds. Does this have to end in violence? You're going down town. Oh, I might lose. Actually, I won't, because I'll make a nest right in the center. Aha! Whoa! Oh! Oh! Flame throwed! Oh, my hair's on fire! My hair's on fire! Stop, drop, and roll! Pecking me, you little... Wow! Yeah, you guys are going down. Wow! I thought I saw a dead bird. I did see a dead bird. Wow. So long, suckers. Huh? Drop, and roll! Oh, my head, my burning old head. Rose, just you and me. The best bird. Let the best bird win, which would obviously be me. I'm scared. Yeah. Wait, what am I tripping on? Twigs? Why are there twigs everywhere? Oh, you're messing up my nest! Oh, my beautiful bird nest! Too many twigs here. No! Oh my goodness. Who saw that coming? Me winning? Look at this. They messed my nest up. Let me fix it up. You know, when you have a life as hard as me, sometimes all you want to do is make a nest. And that's the best part of life. The best time to wear a striped sweater is all the time. Oh. Thank you for watching, I guess. I'm just gonna sit here. That's all I'm gonna do. You got anything better to do? I'm seriously just gonna be laying this nest. You still here? I'm just laying down. They're still down there. And they're not coming back up. You know what? Fuck it. Geronimo!